Hi, this is going to be the unboxing of Transformers Start of the Moon MECHTECH weapon system. This is AUTOBOT RAiD. It is made by Hasbro. It is intermediate level 2. And I only paid about $5 for it at the dollar store. Considering that these things go for like $15 by themselves. And what else? Technical data: strength 7, intelligence 6, speed 8, endurance 9, weight 7, courage 9, fire blast 6, skill 6. And here's what it says on the back, his little history. Flying high above the fray, AiR provides a high precision picture of the terrain, Decepticon troops movement, and any other details of the battlefield that may hinder a Autobot assault. His battle shield converts to a powerful ion pulse blaster when his fellow Autobots are in need of some high altitude reinforcements. Shield converts to assault blaster. Recon jet mode is his vehicle mode. You can see it on the hub. And on to the unboxing. Down here, it tells you that there's Autobot armor top speed also available. Nothing more there. Happy bots. They fully secure it in here. And let's see, where is it? Right here. There's a little rubber band holding this part together for shipping reasons. And let's see how you put it together for a transformer. Just saying that there's two little notches there, there's two little notches up here. You just set it on there like that, and now he's in his recon mode. Then if we pop that off, let's set that to the side for now. To transform him, flip him over like this. There's a flip out two little things here. Okay, Here's his little wheels. Oh well, they actually say put the wheels in. Okay. Hold him like this now. Flip out the two little side pieces, which is right here, which are really tight. So now that you have that open, to expose his kneecaps, I'm guessing. Flip the top ones out, which is right here. Then fold down his Cybertech wings. So just fold these down. Then hold him like this and flip this top piece up. Which is actually supposed to come all the way out. There we go. Something like that. Now flip the rest of his body open. Let's see here. Okay. Like this then.